Wish I'd have got that wood up here on the deck. I would have been able to cut it and get it in place.
Yeah.
Would have made me very happy. A little late though.
I know. Oh, that was a big one.
Yep. It's going to turn out nice, and I think that AC will cool it. Even if we have to put a floor in it, I don't have a problem with that.
Yeah, I'd rather use the little AC than go out and get another one. That was a really big strike.
Are there still pictures on the internet of that van we bought?
Maybe. Why?
Email them to Tiffany's Yahoo or whatever that account is she has.
Uh-huh.
Noah said he wanted you to do that for him.
Oh, okay. God, that's a nice van, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Whoa.
That was nice.
You get it?
I did. It's on there.
That was heat lightning going sideways.
Was it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Up. Come here. God damn it.
What?
Nothing. Pooh! Oh, she's on my butt. You scared me.
Wow. That
Remember
was
the
something.
poo-dooper slam shut. Could have broke it.
Could have broke it.
What would you do if you cracked my poo-dooper? Can't weld it up. It would hurt. She's totally comfortable up here. She feels safe.
Oh,
Don't
nice.
like it. She don't like the lightning.
No.
Or
Imagine
the
she
thunder.
doesn't.
It's spooking him. She said, no, I can't. She's scared. Always scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared.
Alright, I think that's good for Leah. That was a nice one right there.
I'm so scared today. Take me in the house and put me to bed and give me a big hug and lots of kisses. She like her belly rubbing. She like kissing when it's raining. She's scared.